Where are you?
Yeah, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Be quick, I'm waiting.
Yeah, just 5 minutes.
Okay, take care. See you.
You were on your way home when you died. It was a car accident. Nothing particularly remarkable, but fatal nonetheless. It was a painless death. The paramedics team tried their best to save you, but you lost. Your body was so utterly shattered, you were better off. Trust us. And that's when you met me.
What? What happened? Where am I?
You died.
There was a truck, and it was killing. I died.
Yes. Yes, but don't feel bad about it. Everyone does. You looked around, there was nothingness, just you and me.
What is this place? Is this the afterlife?
More or less,
Are you God?
yes, I'm God.
My parents. What about them? Will they be alright?
That's what I like. You just died, and your main concern is for your family. That's good stuff, right? You looked at me with fascination. To you, I didn't look like God. I just looked like some man, or possibly a woman. Some vague authority figure, maybe. Don't worry, they'll be fine. Your parents will remember you as perfect in every way.
And what about my girlfriend?
She'll cry on the outside, but will be secretly relieved. To be fair, your relationship was falling apart. If it's any consolation, she'll feel very guilty for feeling relieved.
Oh. So what happens now? Do I go to heaven or hell or something?
Neither. You'll be reincarnated.
Ah. So the Hindus were right.
All the religions are right in their own way. Walk with me.
Where are we going?
Nowhere in particular. It's just nice to walk while we talk.
So what's the point then? When I get reborn, I'll just be a blank slate, right? A baby. So all my experiences and everything I did in this life won't matter.
Not so. You have within all the knowledge and the experiences of all your past lives. You just don't remember them right now. Your soul is more magnificent, beautiful, gigantic than you can possibly imagine. A human mind can only contain a tiny fraction of what you are. It's like sticking your finger in a glass of water to see if it's hot or cold. You put a tiny part of yourself into the vessel, and when you bring it back out, you have gained all the experiences it had. You have been in a human for at least 20 years, so you haven't stretched out yet and felt the rest of your immense consciousness. If you hung out here for long enough, you would start remembering everything. But there's no point to doing that between each life.
How many times have I been reincarnated then?
Oh, lots. Lots and lots. And into lots of different lives. This time around, you'll be a Chinese peasant girl in 540 AD.
Wait. What? You're sending me back in time?
Well, I guess technically, time, as you know it, only exists in your universe. Things are different where I come from.
Where you come from?
Oh sure, I come from somewhere else, and there are others like me. I know you will want to know what it's like there, but honestly, you wouldn't understand.
Oh. But wait, if I get reincarnated to other places in time, I could have interacted with myself at some point.
Sure, happens all the time, and with both lives only aware of their own lifespan. You don't even know it's happened.
So what's the point of it all?
The meaning of life, the reason I made this whole universe, is for you to mature.
You mean mankind. You want us to mature.
No, just you. I made this whole universe for you. With each new life, you grow and mature and become a larger and greater intellect.
Just me? What about everyone else?
There is no one else. In this universe, there is just you and me.
But all the people on earth?
All you. Different incarnations of you.
Wait, I am everyone.
Now you are dead.
I am every human being who ever lived.
Or who will ever live.
I am Batsman.
And you are the bowler too.
I am Hitler.
And you are the millions he killed. Every time you victimize someone, you were victimizing yourself. Every act of kindness you have done to yourself. Every happy and sad moment ever experienced by any human was or will be experienced by you.
Why? Why do all this?
Because someday you will become like me. Because that's what you are. You are one of my kind. You are my child.
Wow. You mean I am God?
No, not yet. You are a fetus. You are still growing. Once you have lived every human life throughout all time, you will have grown enough to be born.
So the whole universe is just...
And now it's time for you to move on to your next life. And I sent you on your way.